Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE S80 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. Now before we get started we'll need one of those, a SIM eject tool, so you can get it from the box where the device came in, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now whichever one you use is completely up to you, but once you have one of those you want to pop out the tray, which is located behind this little rubber seal, so just take that off. And you can see in there is a tiny little hole, so you want to use your tool, pop it out. Once you push it in, the tray pops out a little bit, and that should be enough for you to just kind of grab it with something. I guess I'm gonna use this. There we go. So once you take out the tray you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM you'll just place one right over here, but because I'm using both I'm just going to move that over aside and place the SD card next to it. From here you want to insert it back where it came from. Now you do want to be careful, there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could fall out if you're just kind of like tossing them around. Go, and from there you can push it in. As you can see I didn't push it all the way in, but that's completely fine. This thing right here will, once you push it to close it, should push the tray all the way where it's supposed to be. And there we go. As you can see it did go as far as it needs to. So here we have the pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM card is working and SD card is working as well. You can see that icon right there. So there we go, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.